So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, ang i-discuss ko is about how to apply for Globe Business Postpaid SIM Only Plan 599. Sa G plans, ang pinakamababa is yung Plan 599. So ito yung i-apply natin. So paano nga ba mag-apply? So ang unang gagawin is tawag muna doon sa official hotline ni Globe, and upon coordinating with the customer representative, online na lang din ang magiging application. So sa email isa-send yung mga requirements, and then sa email din isa-submit yung mga signed requirements ni subscriber. So in my case, meron na kaming contact person kay Globe kasi ako din yung nag-apply ng Globe SIM doon sa additional line sa isang company or isang business, and then for today naman is mag-a-apply ng new line sa isang project. So ibig sabihin wala pang existing na Globe plan dito sa business na to. So, panibagong application pa lang to. So, magko-comply tayo ng various requirements. So, ang una kong ginawa is nag-email ako dun sa contact person namin. So, sabi ko dito, "Hi Ma'am Glide, may I know the requirements to apply for a G plan plus base 599 for this company?" And then, magre-reply naman agad yan. So, ang sabi dito, since the company is a first-time application, so kailangan niya daw ng mga list ng documents. Yung documents na to is nasa 3 documents. Ang una is requirements for SIM card registration. Sa SIM card registration, merong 2 documents na kailangan. Yung BIR form 2303 or BIR registration, and then secretary certificate na notaryado. Itong BIR 2303, dito nakalagay yung tinang business. So, ito yung hinihingi niya. I-prepare lang din yan. And then, ito yung sample na draft or template ng secretary certificate. Lalagay lang dito yung SecCert, yung office address, and then company name dito, yung company address, date ng meeting, and yung president dito, company ulit. Then, copy mo lang din tong item 1 and 2. Name ng company president, yung perma niya. And then, sign lang dito ng CorpSec. Perma lang din yung president. And then, inonotaryo to. Dated yung notary date dito. So, those are the requirements for SIM card registration. And then, sa item number 2, kailangan din ng government-issued ID ng authorized signatory. Yung authorized signatory namin is yung president. So, ang naready ko lang is yung PRC ID ni President with 3 specimen signatures. Yung PRC ID pala is pinotocopy lang yun ng front and back. Then sa side or sa baba, doon pumirma ng 3 yung President. So, ang pangatlo is filled out MSA form or Mobile Service Agreement form. Pag mag-reply dito yung Globe Specialist, mag-a-attach din pala siya doon ng PDF copy ng MSA form or Mobile Service Agreement form. So, eto po siya. Dito nakalagay yung company information, company name, yung registered address, kung ilan yung employee doon sa company, and then kung ano yung industry. Sa amin, dito kami sa construction industry. Name lang din dito ng authorized signatory, and then authorized representative. Then, lalagay din yung TIN or tax identification number ng company. And then, dito sa billing instructions, naka-highlight pala or na-click yung do not deliver paper bill, electronic billing statement is sufficient. So, ilalagay dito yung official company email address kung saan isa-send yung monthly billing statement. Then, ayan. Dito naman sa customer's declaration, dito magpipirma yung authorized signatory. Then, yung date kung kailan niya pinirmahan. So, yan. So, yan. Yan yung 3 requirements kapag first-time application kay Globe Business. So, kapag na-compile na yan, i-scan lang yan ng isang PDF copy and i-email back doon sa contact person kay Globe. So, sabi ko dito, "Hi ma'am, please attach form and documents required for Globe Plan Plus Base 599 SIM only application for your reference." Ayan. In case din pala, iba yung current office address doon sa registered business address, yung nasa BIR 2303, pwede din naman mag-request ng change ng delivery address. So, ayan, nag-reply na ulit yung contact person natin kay Globe. Good day, received these documents. I will submit this for account creation and I will be back when once done. So, regarding different delivery, kindly submit a request letter for the delivery and the receiver in one letter and signed by Mr. President. So, ito yung draft ng letter. Simple lang naman siya, kahit one paragraph lang. So, yung date, yung name ng contact person, Globe Business Account Specialist, then, may I request to change the delivery address of our Globe SIM from ganitong address, yung nakalagay doon sa BIR 2303 to the current office address. Tapos, papermahan lang din yan ng President. So, after nyan, magre-reply ulit doon sa email ng yes confirmation. So, naghihingi ng confirmatory response si Globe dito sa subscriber. So, dito pala pangatlong araw na to. So, nag-apply ako August 16. So, ito pala August 19 na. So, 16, 17, 18, 19. Hindi kasi available palagi yung signatory. Kaya medyo nadidelay ako sa submission ng mga signed documents. So, ayan. Kindly check the details of the plan confirmation if it is accurate. And then, if yes, please reply yes and proceed with the plan details below. So, same lang din siya dito, guys. Itong nasa website ni Globe dito sa plan confirmation. Dito nakalagay yung company name, number of lines. So, isa pa lang din naman to. Yung main plan is G Plan Plus Biz 599. Nakalagay dito yung inclusions noon na merong only call, only text to all networks, and then only call sa landline. May 8 gig data allocation din siya, and then may freebie na 1 GB sa Viber. So, kapag okay na yan, magre-reply lang din ng yes, please proceed, or yes and proceed. If hindi pala available si authorized signatory or si company president, pwede din naman si other board member mag-reply dito. So, in our case, ang nag-reply na lang yung aming VP Accounting and Finance Head. So, siya na lang din yung nag-reply in behalf of the President. So, okay lang din naman yun. I-acknowledge yun ni Globe. So, yan. Nag-reply na dito ng confirmatory response. So, ayan po. After naman nun, mag-confirm na yes, mag-i-email ulit si Globe na digital application form. And then, ganito siya. Ganito yung itsura ng digital application form. Nandito na nakalagay yung mga details. Yung company information, registered business, yung authorized signatory, naka-blurred lang siya. Kung sino yung authorized rep, and then company, billing information, dito na siya. Account manager details, kung sino yung account manager signature, and then magpiporma lang din dito sa customer declaration si President. Itong naka-encircle. So, after nyan, ayan. So, after few days, we are glad to inform you that this application has been approved. So, na-approve na po ang application natin. And then, na-forward na din daw ito for issuance and delivery requirement. Dito pala, si Globe na din yung mag-activate ng SIM card. So, ayan, August 29, nag-message na siya, nag-email na siya na this application has been activated and please refer to the details below. Ayan siya. Almost 2 weeks din. Pero depende, almost 2 weeks. Yung sa amin, almost 2 weeks bago na na-approve and na-activate yung Globe SIM card. So, if na-comply naman agad yung requirements and if available naman palagi yung authorized signatory nyo, pwede naman yan na in a week or more than a week. So, yan. Nakalagay dito yung line, assignee, plan, inclusion, yung SIM serial, And then, yung mobile number, nandito na siya nakalagay, guys. So, after nyan, eto pala yung unang na-receive namin na billing statement kay Globe. Ang amount dito, mapapansin nyo, is 811.54 instead of 599 kasi may additional fee. Siguro yung activation fee. Pero yung mga proceeding na monthly billing statement niya is 599 na lang din. So, ayan. After few days, ito na pala yung na-deliver sa amin, guys. Yung letter envelope, yung pinaka-mismong Globe Postpaid SIM, yung transmittal, and then yung thank you card. So, ganyan lang, guys, mag-apply ng corporate Globe plan. Madali lang siya. Follow nyo lang yung step-by-step process, and then comply lang din yung requirements, and then madi-deliver na sa inyo yung Globe SIM. Usually kasi yung mga ginagamit na company SIM is postpaid kasi nga nakapangalan siya directly sa company. So yun lang, guys. Thank you for watching my video. See you in my next one. Bye.